This is a 1994 Casablanca Montclair Gallery edition in glossy black and bright brass with the F.Fabbian Prima light kit 12R because the R stands for the brass ring around it. They made these versions without a brass ring, and the versions with the brass rings are more rare to find. So here's the original canopy. It's a very nice Hanger canopy that's not recalled. It's almost has no scratches on it. And here is the original W31 control. It's the W31 because it only has 2 wires. And I love this fan because it's glossy black and it's pretty rare. The only other person who has one is John Pernock. Yeah. So this fan is pre-restoration. The flywheel needs to be replaced. The bearings also needs to be replaced. Yeah, because this fan has a 150 watt halogen bulb. So we're gonna start this fan on demo mode. The board is pretty loud. These 94 to 96 fans are always pretty loud for some reason. The light is actually pretty dim. Gregory actually found this fan by accident. He saw a listing for Stealth, and the owner said he had another fan for sale. And this was the fan. A fan this rare. You can hear the super loud bearings. And because of the heavy blades, the flywheel is like cracked or something, so it needs to be replaced. Super loud bearings. And off. Because this fan is so rare, I'm making 2 videos of it. Before I restore it and after I restore it. So we're going to start with the light. It's now at full brightness. It's actually super dim for a 150 watt bulb. It looks bright on the camera, but it's actually not bright at all. It more closely resembles a 30 watt incandescent bulb. So now I'm going to turn the light off and speed 1. This fan is also mint. There are minimal scratches on it. But yeah, the flywheel and bearings needs to be replaced. The heat from the halogen bulb actually caused the switch housing to bend outwards. Like, it's not bent, it's just the cover shell thing, I'm not sure how to explain it, is bent outwards. Speed 2. It's a really nice fan. I just wish the canopy and down around was also black. I'm thinking about putting this in the master bedroom where my green Saturn is right now. But glossy black doesn't really match anything inside. Speed 3. It's moving good air. F.Fabbian Prima light kit. It's pretty nice. but I think they look a bit generic for some reason. Speed 4. There's already bear noise starting. And the flywheel is kind of cracked, which is why the blades are not very balanced. And the fans are already wobbling. Speed 5. Powerful. And wobbling a lot. And speed 6. Yeah, there's a ton of bear noise and it wobbles a ton. Now off. And we're going to watch half of the spin down. These Montclair fans were very expensive back in the day. They did not sell well. I have a Marquis, which is an earlier version of the Montclair motor housing, for one. But that's the closest thing I have to a real Montclair slash Marquis. I think the Marquis look better because the California Zephyr badges do look better on them, and the San Marino badges they look better on San Marinos. And the 1991 Marquis, those Constellation badges on those look okay. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye! Here is the Casablanca Montclair ceiling fan again, but this time with a different light kit, which is making it not an actual gallery, but it is still a gallery. So this is a F.Fabbian Calipso, I'm not sure how to say it, light kit that I got off OfferUp. It's the 5-light version, which is much rarer than the 3-light version, and it has the amber shades rather than the white shades. And I'm pretty sure this is the only Calipso 5-light kit that has been ever found, because these light kits were pretty expensive and very rare. It's made by F.Fabbian, and it's from 1997. So I think it looks pretty good on my Montclair because the Montclair's finish is black and brass, and this light kit is brass, and it's like Art Deco or mid-century modern style, which I think suits the fan pretty well. So I'm going to show you the light. That's the fan. So here's the light. Pretty bright because it has 5 lights. And all of the sockets are at mostly different angles, and they are all at different heights, which makes this light kit pretty cool. I'm only going to show you demo mode with this light kit because you already saw the fan. The fan's from 1994 and the light's from 1997, so they are 3 years apart. And this light fixture was introduced in 1997 too. I still haven't fixed the bearings yet. The reason I said still because I'm recording this video almost 2 months after I recorded the first video. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.